Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to get a modded version of Sonic Forces Speed Battle on your phone, which gives you unlimited amount of red rings and money. So keep watching the video and I will show you exactly how to download for your mobile devices. Just keep watching, it's going to work for you. Basically, all you have to do in Sonic Forces Speed Battle ++ is to simply type your desired amount of resources. You can type any amount of resources you want to get. Just go ahead and type it and make sure it is turned on like this. Now, when you go ahead and simply hold this next button, it should send into your account. After finishing, open your account and as you can see the exact amount of resources you typed, just load it up. It is super easy and I'm going to show you how to download for your mobile devices for Android or iOS. All you have to do now is to simply head over the pinned comments down below. There I explain exactly where you can get Sonic Forces Speed Battle ++ application. So just head over the pinned comments, leave a like if this method worked for you at the end, and that's it. See you in the next video. Bye bye.